Alright guys, as I told you, PTE Academic is changing from August 7, 2025. What are the changes? I'll quickly summarize each and everything for you. There are two new questions which are being added to the speaking module. There were 5 questions earlier, but from now on you'll be having 7 question types. The very first one, which is the additional one, is summarize group discussion. You will get 2 to 3 of these. This will give you points in listening and speaking. In here you'll get an audio with a discussion of 3 people, which will go for 3 minutes, and you'll have to give your response for around 2 minutes. After that, 7th question is respond to a situation. This you'll be given a text on the screen with the situation, and you have to respond to that particular situation in 40 seconds. This will only contribute towards your speaking. You'll have 2 to 3 of these. This question is already available in PT course, so it will not be an issue. After that, there are minor changes to the exam pattern. Nowadays students are getting 3 or 4 describe images, but from August 7, 2025 you will be getting 5 to 6 describe images, 2 to 3 retail lectures, 2 summarized written text, 1 essay, 1 summarized spoken text. Reading and listening, MCQ multiple and single, you will get 2 to 3. Highlight correct summary in listening, you will get 2 to 3. Select missing word, you will get 1 to 2. There is no negative marking in write from dictation, so you don't need to stress. Another thing which has changed, earlier PT introduced one thing, human checking. They introduced human checking in describe image and retail lecture. What used to happen, as soon as you submit your answer, if AI or the marking engine or the artificial intelligence thinks that you have used a template or your content is irrelevant, it used to pass your response to a human examiner to check it for you, and the human examiner used to give you the scores. But this thing will now be applicable in retail lecture and describe image. On top of that, in summarize group discussion, respond to a situation, summarize written text from writing essay, and summarize spoken text. So 7 questions will now include human checking if artificial intelligence flags out your response that you have used a lot of template. For this, you have to minimize the use of template. You can use a structure, but you'll have to use relevant content. Apart from that, the weightage of content scoring has changed. In describe image, earlier content used to be 5 points, now it is 6 points. In retail lecture, it used to be 5 points, now 6 points. In summarize group discussion and respond to situation, content has got 6 points, so the weightage has gone up. Summarize written text, content used to be only 2 points, now it is 4 points. Essay, it used to be 3 points, now it is 6 points. In essay, development, structure and coherence used to be 2 points, now it is 4 to 5 points, 6 points actually. Then summarize spoken text, your content used to be only 2 points, now it is 4 points. What do we take out of this? From August 7, 2025, if you're taking the test on or after August 7, 2025, you'll have a longer test. You'll have 7 different question types in speaking, and there might be human involvement if you use a lot of template. The weightage of the content will go up. Therefore, if you're using template, you'll have to make sure you add relevant content. So these are the changes. Bit surprising, but yes, these are there. I would recommend, if you can take the test before August 7, 2025, go for it. But even if you take after that, we'll be bringing out structure, tips and strategies for each and everything. You don't need to stress about anything. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure you share it with your friends as well, so that they can prepare properly and get their score out of the way. That's it. I'll give you more details in the upcoming videos.